It's important to remember that draft beer is a food product, and the equipment the beer flows through needs to be carefully monitored and maintained. Next to maintaining a constant temperature of 38 degrees Fahrenheit for keg storage and dispensing, cleaning is the most critical practice in maintaining draft beer quality. Pressurized cleaning is suitable for direct draw systems, but recirculating cleaning is always the best choice for long draw glycol systems because the turbulent flow of the chemical is up to 80 times more effective than simply allowing the cleaning solution to soak inside the beer lines. No matter what type of cleaning system you're using, Micro Matic recommends a proven 3-step cleaning process to ensure the beer's integrity. Begin by flushing the beer from the lines with water. This helps make sure that the cleaning properties of the chemical won't be diluted. Next, clean the lines with the appropriate chemical solution. You should allow the chemicals to circulate in the lines for at least 10 minutes. Micro Matic offers 2 types of patented brewery-approved chemicals for cleaning, either alkaline or an acid-based. Always be sure to follow the manufacturer's recommendations on proper mix ratio, correct temperature, ample contact time, and thorough water rinse for the specific cleaning chemical you're using. The final step is to thoroughly flush the chemical from the lines with water. Then reconnect the kegs and allow some beer to run through the faucet to make sure the lines are completely refilled with beer. And don't forget to throw away that first bit of beer. It's important to clean your system every 14 days. Be sure to clean all of the components, including keg couplers, faucets, and all of the other equipment in the system, as well as the external surfaces. Following the 3-step cleaning process and these guidelines will allow you to maintain your draft beer system while providing brewery-fresh draft beer each and every day. And having great tasting draft beer will keep your customers coming back for more.